Hi and welcome to this short video on how to unlock the new Force24 tracking script. So from the home page, from the dashboard, I'm just going to go to the websites on the left hand side, and at the top here I'm going to create a new website. So I'm going to put in here Force24. Also underneath on the domains I'm just going to put force24.co.uk. You can change these at this particular stage, or they're all configurable once we get onto the next screen as well. So I'm going to hit create, and this is going to bring me to this screen. Quite quickly, you can, on the right hand side here, just click get script, and you can copy and paste that script onto just before the close brackets on your website. Copy and paste it into there. Probably 9 times out of 10 where your current existing Force24 tracking script exists. What this new release allows you to do, this new tracking script, it unlocks pop-ups. It also allows you to configure your forms from directly within the Force24 portal as well. So any forms that you currently have tracked, what you'll need to do is in the top right hand corner here, click track. We're going to use the external forms rather than a Force24 embedded iframe form. So we're going to click external. Now the form that I want to track is this one on the Force24 website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the URL at the top of that particular page. In here I'm going to say contact us is going to be the name of the form. I'm going to put the URL into there and hit find. What we will then do, go away and find the particular form. So it's going to be this top form here that I want to track, and I'm going to set up a marketing list here called George test list. And then also underneath going to have to put an email address that I want the responses of the forms to go to. And click the add button. Again, I can configure these two settings here, and then I'm going to click mapping. The system's then going to scan the website to find the fields that are on that particular form, and you can see it's got name, last name, company name, email address, and mobile. On any of these, I can ignore the field, delete them, or edit them, or I can just map them down here. So name, I'm going to put first name. I want to add it to the name field. I'm going to add another one, which is last name. And last name, company. So there you can see then I've mapped the form from that particular website, and I'm going to hit create. The one thing to note now is that we need to push the changes to that particular script. The script does stay the same, so no changes need to be made on your website. So this ultimately gives you full control over what forms you track. If you add any new forms to your website, you can drop into here and add those forms to the form section as well. But just to make sure you push the changes every time you make a change to this particular screen. So to take advantage of our new features, you will need to apply that script to your website. You will also need to track any of your forms or remap the forms in this particular screen as well. But if you do have any questions, in the bottom right hand corner, do speak to our support team who'll be able to assist you if you have any issues. Thank you.